Welcome to our video guide on how to go viral on YouTube. In this digital era, YouTube has emerged as a dynamic platform for content creators worldwide. Going viral on YouTube can be a game changer. It can skyrocket your visibility, leverage your brand, and even turn into a lucrative career. But how do you tap into this potential and create a video that resonates with millions? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore. Now let's dive into the steps you need to take to make your YouTube video viral. Step 1. Know your audience. This is crucial in creating content that resonates. It's like trying to hit a target in the dark if you don't know who you're talking to. So how do you get to know them? Start by understanding their interests, their likes, dislikes, habits, and their online behavior. Are they night owls or early birds? Do they prefer comedy or drama, cats or dogs, pop or rock? Once you have these insights, you can create content that they'll love, content that speaks to them. It's like crafting a tailor-made suit. It fits perfectly because it's designed for them. And when your content fits like a glove, they're more likely to share it, to talk about it, to engage with it. This is how you create a ripple that can turn into a wave. Remember, creating content that your audience loves is the first step towards going viral. Step 2. Create quality content. Your video should be worth sharing. Quality content goes beyond just high-definition visuals and clear audio. It's about weaving an engaging story that resonates with viewers. Dynamic storytelling can transform even the most mundane topics into captivating narratives. Whether you're sharing a recipe, a DIY project, or your thoughts on the latest blockbuster, infuse your unique perspective and voice into the content. Remember, it's not just about what you're saying, it's also about how you're saying it. A well-edited video with a clear, crisp sound can make all the difference in holding your viewers' attention. And while we're on the subject of attention, keep in mind that the average attention span is shrinking, so make sure your content is concise, engaging, and to the point. So invest time and effort into creating quality content. After all, quality content is the backbone of any viral video. Step 3. Optimize for SEO. Make sure your video is easily discoverable. To do this, you need to understand the basics of YouTube SEO. It's a bit like a treasure hunt, and your video is the treasure. You want to give as many clues as possible so that people can find it. First, let's talk about keyword research. Keywords are the terms that people type into the search box. If you can match these keywords in your video title, description, and tags, you're more likely to appear in their search results. Next, your video description. This is your opportunity to tell YouTube and its users what your video is about. Make it clear, concise, and include those all-important keywords. Finally, tags. These are additional keywords that describe your video. They're the icing on the SEO cake, helping YouTube's algorithm understand your content better. SEO optimization is key to reaching a wider audience. Step 4. Promote your video. Don't just rely on organic reach. Now that you've created a quality video and optimized it for SEO, it's time to take the next leap. Promotion. This is your chance to take control of your video's visibility. A great place to start is social media. Sharing your video across platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram can significantly boost your reach. But don't stop there. Engage with your viewers, respond to comments, and encourage them to share your content. Collaborations can also be a game changer. Partnering with other creators can introduce your content to a whole new audience. Remember, it's about expanding your community, not just increasing views. Lastly, consider paid promotions. While it may require some investment, targeted ads can lead to substantial growth. In the end, promotion isn't just about pushing your content, it's about building relationships and growing your community. Promotion is the final step to ensure your video reaches as many people as possible. So, these are the steps you need to follow to make your YouTube video go viral. Let's jog your memory a bit, understand your audience, create quality content, optimize it for SEO, and promote your video effectively. But remember, consistency is the key. It's not about one-hit wonder, it's about continuously creating and promoting content. Engage, entertain, and educate. That's the mantra. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Until next time, keep creating.